Warning, warning, there were no fish harmed in the making of this video, so you've been warned. However, there's some nice scenery.
Hey y'all, Steve here, Adventure Outdoors. It's late November, beautiful day, and me and my son Jake are at the Goose Creek State Park in Washington, North Carolina. And we've got a few hours of daylight left, so we thought we'd go out and try our hand at a little fishing. We have heard that the speckled trout are running pretty good right now. So we figured we'd give a shot today. I'm going out in a friend of mine's Wilderness Commander 140, and my son is in his Jackson Cuda 14. We're not all rigged out today. We got one rod apiece. Hopefully we can find some live bait, but we're just gonna go out and have a good time, have a little fun, and enjoy this beautiful fall day.
There's no way that I can catch Jake in his Cuda 14, not in the Wilderness 140 Commander. No way. Just using a little 1/8 ounce jig head and plastics. Just doing a little exploratory searching for the trout.
Now I command you to show yourselves.
Now Jake is he's gonna work this left side, and I'm gonna paddle over to the right side, and we're just gonna work the bank. And I see a dock over there, so I'm gonna start over there around the grass and around the dock and work my way a little ways and see if there's any fish over here.
Do you really think that's gonna work? Come on, man.
And hopefully we'll cover two sides.
Do you really think that's going to work?
Whoever finds the fish will come over and help each other out.
This looks very, very fishy. Using a Shakespeare ugly stick inshore rod. I think it was 7 foot. I love the ugly sticks.
This is the first time I've fished here, so I don't really know anything about the place. I see a lot of boats. Well, not a lot of boats, but several boats when we got here were lined up on that left side. And generally, they are probably locals, and they probably know where the fish are. And me, just being an absolute rebel, decided to come over here and try this other side.
It's not going to take me very long to figure out why all the boats were on that other side.
Here's the new plastic that I just tried, so we'll give that a go. It looks delicious to me. I don't understand why speckled trout wouldn't be all over that.
Maybe because there are no fish in the water today? Oh my God, is there an airplane landing? Oh no, it's just a pontoon boat. You tell me how you're going to roll a boat like that into an area with such a loud motor and expect to catch anything. See you later, fishy. Well, it didn't take long for me to figure out why all of the boats were on the left side of the creek. It is warmer over there. I was behind the trees, the sun was going down. I was getting cold. so I headed over to the other side where the sun was shining. This spot was so beautiful. I was heading over to a little point. There had to be some speckled trout in this area, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna definitely get me some waterproof gloves.
So about now, I would have probably given $500 for a pair of warm waterproof gloves. So even though our day's coming to an end, man, this place is so beautiful. It was amazing. I love just being out here.
Alright, so we're out here at Goose Creek, and just thought we'd do a little afternoon kayak fishing session. A little bit colder this evening, it's under 50, I don't know, it's probably around 40 degrees. Not sure what the water temperature is, but we didn't find a lot of fish, but we have had a lot of fun just paddling around, and it's a gorgeous sunset and nice cool evening. I just love being on the kayak. I just love being able to throw a line out, so.
Beats anything else we could have been doing, doesn't it?
Yes, sir, it does.
I think our women are shopping.
Yes, they are. So, eventually got to go back.
Yeah, we'll have to go back, and but it's an awesome day,
Yeah.
Beautiful. The Goose Creek State Park. It's a fantastic place.
Yeah, it's awesome.
But the fish were not cooperating with us today, but that's okay. We had fun anyway.
Yes, it is.
All right, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.
All right. Yeah, standing on the Cuda 14. It's pretty stable. Although, probably wouldn't want to fall in here.
Be a little chilly if you went in.
Yeah, it'd be a little chilly. But,
Boat's pretty stable.